Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of the day is 会. In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. Okay, let's read together. 我们一起读会喝味会 Very good. Now let's write together. 我们一起写撇捺横撇折点会 have a lot of meanings, but today we're talking about two of them. First one, can do something. So here, the can do means the ability you get through learning something. For example, I can speak Chinese. 我会说中文 You cannot say 我会说话 because speaking is the ability you can get when you're born. So, in the negative one, we say 不会 So, I cannot swim. 我不会游泳 And second meaning is will. The will indicates the possibility of the situation you mentioned. For example, 明天会下雨 So for 下雨 raining, it's not 100% sure. So you say maybe. So you say 明天会下雨 Okay, can you tell me what language can you speak? 你会说什么语言呢 Comment below and tell me. 在下方评论区告诉我 That's all. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.